Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nifemi. I recently started my YouTube journey. I'm really excited today because I'm unboxing my very first camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm a complete beginner, so this is not a technical review, just honest first impression from someone starting out. So let's unbox it together.
Welcome to my channel. Look at my sister May.
The reason why I chose the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is because I want something beginner friendly, easy and portable to use. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be using this on my first vlog. And stay tuned to watch it and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.